Hey, welcome to this next short partner spotlight. I have John Dye with Art of the Supplement. And I just wanted to tell everybody here that John and what he does with Art of the Supplement, which is a part of Balance Claims, is amazing. And John's one of my favorite guys in the industry out there doing what he's doing and who he is, what he's doing, who he's helping. The type of contractor get results is just something that I'm like, I got to applaud, I got to say yes to, and I want to be a part of. So I'm featuring John real quick, just to let you guys all know if you're a customer or looking at working with us, that John's somebody that I endorse and somebody that I'm happy to be associated with and proud to be associated with. So, John, would you mind just sharing with everybody who you are quickly and what you're doing for the contractor or in the construction industry, and just how people can get a hold of you and things like that? Because I want people to use your services if they need to use it. So.
Yeah, for sure, man. But first off, thank you for that. And I will tell you, like, the feeling's mutual. And I know that I've definitely recommend you guys and feel like you guys are doing a great job as well. So, but a little bit about Art of the Supplement. And thank you for this. But Art of the Supplement is we're here and we've designed this as a course to help contractors learn how to get paid for all the work that they do when they're dealing with insurance claims.
Mm.
That's the main goal of what we do. We're not here to teach you how to take advantage of insurance companies or what, to try to do things that are unscrupulous or not ethical. We ethically teach you how to get paid properly and audit your claims and get paid for all the work that you do and not leave money on the table and not and all the step flashing, all the drip edge, all the valley liner, all the things that you're installing on those roofs that you're doing for free right now, you shouldn't be doing for free. And those should get paid. And that's what we focus on, is teaching contractors how to speak to adjusters, how to communicate, and how important it is to communicate using the correct languages that insurance companies understand so that they can justifiably make payments. And that's what we focus on. And that's what it's about, supplementing, but really it's about auditing claims and being as accurate as possible with what you're doing.
Awesome. Yeah. I mean, I can tell you that a lot of my customers are trying to create that sustainable, predictable market brand awareness wherever they are. And sometimes storms and weather events affect that, and insurance gets involved. But some people aren't even set up to do it. They don't know how to take advantage of that for their business in an ethical way. And so they either outsource it, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Like Balance Claims does a great job with that. But you're teaching them how to do it. And I think that's something I like, because I like to empower people. I like to see people grow. I like for them to grow their skill set and to create more value in their business. And so you're doing that. I think it's fantastic. So John, can you just share how people can get a hold of you and the best way for them to contact you, and just kind of what to expect if they do contact you and things like that?
Yeah, for sure. So we have a website, artofthesupplement.com, which is the main portal for all of our Art of the Supplement uh, offerings. And then if you want to be involved in a supplement boot camp, we have a website for that. It's called learntosupplement.com. And if you wanted to get involved with our supplement masterclass, we have supplementmasterclass.com. And then we also have onlinesupplementtraining.com, which is a course that we have that's online, an evergreen course. But it's, even if you're outsourcing, the information that we give you guys is information that is going to be beneficial even in those instances, because we find that the best contractors that we have the best results with at Balance are the ones that know what this process really should look like and have built the right processes into their business. They're the most successful with us. And a lot of that comes from what we teach at Art of the Supplement, which is why we even got acquired by Balance, was because they saw the direct correlation with
Mm.
their client success, their success really being rooted in how we're able to help contractors that work with them. And so no matter where you are in the process, if you're dealing with insurance claims, you need to at least understand what you're dealing with and be able to forecast the jobs, be able to get a good feel for what you're going to have to provide so that those supplements are taken care of and that you are getting paid for everything.
Yeah, I mean, you get paid. What's the typical timeline of how much they would get paid compared to what they would have
So
got paid?
typically it's about a 20% increase. So that means that on average claims, insurance companies are, through systematic guidelines that they've imposed on claims, they've basically left 20% of the claim not paid up front. And it's not because they're trying to rip you off. It's because they don't know if you're actually going to do the work and do all of it the right way.
Yeah.
And so the carriers, then the burden of proof falls on the policyholder or the contractor to provide the right information so that they can justifiably make those payments. So on average, it's about $2,500 nationwide. In some areas, it's much higher. Other areas, it's lower, depending on where you are in the country. But it's around $2,500 nationwide. It takes us at balance about 2 to 3 weeks to get that process all the way through. And we can teach you how to do it in-house as well, so that you can get that money yourself. But it's quite a bit of money when you're considering that on average you're only making 20% additional is pretty much doubling your profit margin for a lot of companies.
Yeah, and the speed, and we can work without cash. So I think it's
Yeah,
amazing. And so I want to fill out that pipeline, get the backlog going, and we want to make sure that you as a contractor are getting paid for it. Okay. So
for sure.
Art of the Supplement helps you with that. It's fantastic. So thank you, John, and appreciate you sharing. And the links will be in this post and in the comments on this video on YouTube, so they can see all the resources that John has for you. So thank you again, John. Appreciate being on.
Hey, thank you, Ryan. Appreciate you, brother. You're doing great, man.
Thanks.